All right, here we are at the Oviedo Remodel. We're going to walk in and see where they are this week. All right. Oh, it looks like the floors are completed with brand new baseboards. That is absolutely beautiful. I love the straight baseboards. The kitchen will get granite this week. I am certain of it. And here's one thing that I am crazy about is these windowsills. We took out the old nasty ones and put in these new chunky ones. They're so pretty. And the fireplace got a tile update that is pretty beautiful. Let's walk over and see how the second bath looks. Quick turn the light on. Let's see. Oh, the cabinets are in, and I believe the shower is in also. Oh yes, that is such beautiful tile. All right. Here we go. We got a couple of extra bedrooms here with new closet doors, new floors, and new trim. And same over here. This one faces the front, so you can see outside. All right, let's go check out the master. Let's walk through the kitchen one more time. And the formal dining, formal living, out to the pool that's about to be redone and will look beautiful. Here's the master. Plenty of space for a king-size bed and lots of wall space. Here's one thing that I absolutely love is the double entry doors into the bathroom, so your walls don't have to take up the space of a full door. All right, we have the cabinets in. Check out the shower. Has beautiful tile in the shower. I absolutely love it. We moved where the toilet goes, so there's lots of space in there. And double doors again into a nice big master closet. Yes, lots of space. I'm actually standing in it, turning around. Huge master closet. All right, well, that's where we are now, and we'll see you again next week when we get some more, hopefully, granite in and that pool started.